Look, I think it's definitely not going to just be a month or two. And I think this is something that's going to really drive into the next election cycle
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
you're impacting a lot of people. So, yes, you've got the property investors that have a lot of money, but basically what you've done for them as well is you've grandfathered all of the existing assets they had, which is fair enough. That's the way that they want to play it. But then you got to look at it on the next thing. It's like, well, if you are a person who wants to buy his first investment property or her first investment property or second,
Hmm.
it's completely priced you out of the market. If you were
Hmm.
just able to get there, you're gone. And now you need to have a lot of capital. You need to reassess whether those numbers work or not.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, everyone talks about 30-year cycles. Fair enough. That's we look at property in a long-term cycle. But if all of a sudden your investment property, which was losing 20,000 per year, as in a tax loss, and you're getting 40% back, you're going to lose 8 grand per year, which is going to come from somewhere. It's going to come
Yeah.
from your cash flow. It's going to come from your budget. So now you're like, well, I'm not going to get that 8 grand extra back in that example at tax time. So now it's going to cost me more. So
Hmm.
either I buy a property that's a lower scale, that's cheaper, or I need to wait to save up more before I can get into the market.
Yeah.
So it's a double-edged sword. Like, yes,
Yeah.
you're helping the first-time buyers, but then on the second hand or on the other side, where you're trying to help people to build wealth, to be less dependent off the government, you're actually slowing them down and making it
Yeah.
really hard.
It is funny. It has had that sort of negative impact, or the opposite impact that I think it was intended to have. And I shouldn't say impact because we're sort of yet to see the issue. But for instance, when we're building wealth in Australia, I know that they're allowing investors to buy new homes and still get negative gearing, which is great. But new homes have also been subject to huge price increase.